Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the new question paper pattern which was changed recently for 10th class. So you can observe here, this time you are going to write both physical science and biological science as a single paper combined, and the marks allotted are total 100 marks. This is a blueprint which you are looking over here. So total time is allotted 3 hours and 15 minutes. So these 15 minutes are given for you to read the question paper. So if you observe here, the physical science, the total physical science is given as a part A, and the biological science is given as a part B. So for physical science, total out of 100, 46 marks are allotted, and for biological science, total 54 marks are allotted. So the difference for physical science and biological science is only in the section 4. In physical science, 2 questions are given, but in biological science, 3 questions are given. Okay, so total number of questions are 33 questions. So 16 questions are given in physical science and 17 questions are given in biological science. So you can observe total 4 sections are here. So 6 questions and each carries 1 mark. Previously you have 12 questions, each carries a half mark, but the change was here. Total questions are changed from 12 to 6, so each carries 1 mark, and next 2 marks questions are given in a very short answer type questions in section 2. So 8 marks are allotted, and in third Roman short answer type questions, so 4 questions are given and 4 marks are allotted, total 16 marks. So in these 3 sections 1, 2, 3, you have to write all the question answers without any choice. But coming to the section 4, you will observe here essay type questions or diagrams. So 2 questions are given, so each carries 8 marks, so total 16 marks are allotted, and only in this section you will have a internal choice, so you can write any one. Okay, so A or B options like that. So, and even the same for the biology also. So this is a blueprint, and you can observe here so how the section was divided. So in first Roman physical science you have 6 questions, each carries 1 mark. Even biological, total 12 questions, 12 marks. So, and the same here also you will get 8 and 8. So only in the fourth Roman you observe the difference. Here 16 marks, total 2 questions are given, but here for 8 marks questions, 3 questions are given in biological science. So 46 marks for physical science and biological science, 54 marks total. You will have a 100 marks or 100 marks question paper. Okay, so now let us discuss this model paper also. So here instructions are given, so it is very important for you to read the instructions. Total 15 minutes are given. Okay, so in that 15 minutes only you need to read the instructions, entire question paper also. So don't waste the time, because you are writing both physical science and biological science this time. So you have to keep a time also. Okay, consider the time also. Okay, now if you observe in part A section 1, so I have observed all the questions, all the section wise, all the question answers. So what I observed is, so some direct questions are given. So what you get an idea that if you read the questions which are given in your textbook in the last page, so you can read that questions also, and the pattern was not changed here. The difference is, if you observe the first question coming to the section 1, so conversion type questions are given. So this question is given in the previous exam paper also. So you go through the previous year papers also. Some questions maybe get repeated, so go through the model papers. And here, so conversion type question is given, and second one is a fill in the blank type question, and third one is the definitions. Okay, like statement, one line answer, and fourth one is a statement type questions are also given, and fifth one you can observe here multiple choice questions, and even and the sixth one, there is a one word answer type question. So you can observe clearly, you have already learned the same pattern in the before this pattern. So you better prepare according to the previous model. So that will be useful, because only the question, some questions are deleted, that's all, but the question paper pattern is not changed. So that is what you have to remember. So all the definition type questions, fill in the blank type questions, statements, okay, there is a chance you'll get a multiple choice are given. So match the following type questions also will be given. So if you have any doubt, so what type of questions we will get, so I have prepared a video, previous video, you can go and you can search in that. Okay, and next in the second Roman, so total 6 questions are completed. In the second Roman, you can observe the diagram. So diagram is given, half diagram. So you have to complete the diagram. So this is also given in the previous exam, and this is very important question also, because repeatedly we are getting this type of question. So practice the ray diagrams, very important for lens. Okay, and next if you observe the differences is also asked. So many differences are there. So you prepare the what type of questions we are getting. So how we have to divide within this short period of time. So I will prepare the next videos also, so lesson wise, so you will get an idea how to divide the topics and how to prepare within a short period of time, which covers the entire subject. Okay, entire total all chapters. Okay, next here differences, and if you observe the data is given. Okay, so data type questions, and here if you observe the materials also, so you have many activities. So based on that activities for 2 marks is asking what are the material required. Okay, so that you have to read the materials required also. Now coming to the third section. So till now we have observed that no choice we have to write all the question answer, total 10 for up to section 2. And coming to the third section, 4 marks question. So here a scale, a PS scale, or sometimes you will get a diagram also. So based on the diagram, based on the data, you need to answer the questions. So here also in 12th question you observe a table is given. So you are getting the table type questions also. So this question was given in the previous exams also. So you go through that model papers, previous model papers, and you have to prepare. So don't worry, you will get you are getting some direct questions also. So prepare the model papers and go through the question answers which are given in your textbook. After that, after completing all that, you read the textbook. That is very important. Why? Because here you will observe one question, that in the 5th question, if you observe, when the length of conductor is double, then its resistance will be. So if you read the textbook thoroughly, you are able to write some questions also. So reading the textbook is also very important, because then you will get a total complete good score. Okay, and next one, here you observe in 13th, define. So definitions are asked for 4 marks. Okay, so if you write the definition directly, you will get the 2 marks, but better if you write some extra information also, if you know. Okay, so because these are given for 4 marks, so better first you write the answer which is related to the question. After that you can write some extra points if you know. Okay, but don't make any strike offs. Okay, don't write the wrong answers also. So first read the question carefully and write the answer perfectly. Okay, then if you know any extra information, then you can write, but first you have to write the answer related to the question. Okay, next here you observe these also. So direct, what is octet rule, and appreciation type of questions is also asked. So you have to read the appreciation type of questions which are given in your textbook, and already you have learned such type of questions also. We know that what kind of questions we are getting, so same is repeated. So till now we have seen total 3 sections, so there is no choice. So total 14 questions you have to write, and next coming to the 4th section, here you observe you have choice in these total 4 questions are given. Out of 4 you have to write any 2 questions. Okay, now if you observe here, how do the following changes, following properties changes in a group and period explain. Okay, so this is also a direct question, and write about cleansing action of soap. This is also a direct question only. Okay, and even in physics and chemistry activities are given. So even in physics, here you observe 16th question. So experimental procedure and Ohm's law. So both are the activities. So what you have to remember is, so you have to put concentration for 8 marks questions, activities, and you have to practice the diagrams also. Okay, so that you have to put some concentration. And but in this paper diagrams are not given, but then in this activity you have a diagram, but don't think that you will not get diagrams in physical science. If you observe in biological science, here diagrams are given. We cannot say that we will not get any diagram in the physical science, but there is a chance. So already, so this diagram, one diagram is given for 2 marks here. So okay, complete the diagram. So but coming to the myopia and hypermetropia, instead of asking the correction diagrams, he asked the differences. So but you have to learn that diagrams also. You have to practice the diagrams also very neatly. Okay, so but main thing is time management. So you have to consider, you have to maintain the time. Since now if you divide that topics according to the according to any plan, so I will prepare another video, so how to cover the important points. Okay, so don't worry, but that depends on you. So you must divide the time, and you have to start your preparation. Okay, don't waste the time, and all the best for your exams.